So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Harry. So Russia overtakes Saudi Arabia as India's second largest oil supplier. India is the world's third largest oil importer and consumer. And number one consumer and oil importer is China, and number two is the USA. So recently Russia overtake Saudi Arabia as India's second largest oil supplier. So number one oil supplier for India is Iraq, and now Russia is number two. This is good for India and Russia relationship, but this is the bad news for Europe and USA, because the Europe and USA want to ban Russian oil due to the Ukraine conflict. You know very well, India is the world's third largest oil importer and consumer. So India also is fifth largest economy. India need cheap rate oil, so Russia are providing cheap rate oil to India. As a result, Russia overtakes Saudi Arabia as India's second largest oil supplier. If you want to know about why are India buying oil from Russia, it is due to the Russia are providing very cheap rate oil for India. You know very well about crude rate price. It is approximately $130 per barrel, which is very expensive for India and also for other countries. But Russia is providing cheap rate oil for only for India. So as a result, India is buying Russian oil in very large quantity, as well as the private agency of India are buying Russian oil in very big quantity, because due to the discounted oil price, and also Indian refinery are very good. So you know very well about Russian crude oil is very heavy. They need very high level refinery. So some country don't have that type of refineries, but India have that type of refineries. So as a result, Russia overtakes Saudi Arabia as India's second largest oil supplier. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.